Innovative backyard patio roof ideas for outdoor living. The backyard patio has evolved from a simple concrete slab to an extension of our living space, a place where we dine, entertain, relax, and create memories. But to truly maximize the potential of this outdoor oasis, protection from the elements is key. Enter the patio roof, a structure that not only shields us from sun, rain, and wind, but also defines the character of our outdoor rooms. From classic to contemporary, rustic to refined, there's a patio roof idea to suit every style and budget. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore a variety of options to help you find the perfect cover for your backyard retreat. Pergolas, timeless and versatile. Pergolas have graced gardens for centuries, and their appeal shows no sign of waning. These open roof structures typically consist of vertical posts supporting cross beams and an open lattice, creating a frame that's both architectural and airy. The beauty of pergolas lies in their versatility. Leave them open for dappled shade and training climbing plants, or add a retractable canopy for adjustable coverage. Materials range from classic wood, think cedar, redwood, or pressure-treated pine, to low-maintenance aluminum or vinyl. For a modern twist, consider a slat roof pergola. By placing the slats closer together, you can achieve more shade while maintaining the pergola's signature filtered light effect. Add a clear polycarbonate sheet above the slats for rain protection without sacrificing light. Solid roof extensions, seamless integration. For those seeking maximum weather protection, a solid roof that extends from the house can be an ideal solution. This creates a seamless transition between indoor and outdoor spaces, often making the patio feel like another room of the home. Roofing materials should complement the existing architecture. Asphalt shingles, metal panels, or clay tiles can all work, depending on your home's style. Consider factors like pitch. A steeper roof will shed water and snow more effectively, and insulation particularly important if you plan to install heating or cooling systems. One trend gaining traction is the use of translucent roofing panels, made from polycarbonate or fiberglass. These allow natural light to filter through while blocking UV rays and heat, creating a bright but comfortable space below. Retractable awnings, flexibility on demand. Not everyone wants permanent coverage over their patio. Retractable awnings offer the best of both worlds: shade when you want it, sun when you don't. Modern systems can extend or retract at the touch of a button, and some even come with wind and rain sensors for automatic operation. Fabric choices for awnings are vast, from solids to stripes, in materials designed to resist fading, mildew, and water. For larger patios, awnings can be custom-made to span impressive widths, though additional support posts may be needed. A step up from standard awnings is the louvered pergola, which combines the structure of a pergola with adjustable slats that can be tilted to control light and airflow, or closed completely for rain protection. Natural thatching. Rustic charm. For a bohemian or tropical vibe, consider a thatched roof. Traditionally made from water reed, straw, or palm fronds, thatching brings texture and organic warmth to the patio. While authentic thatching requires specialized skills, there are now synthetic options that mimic the look without the maintenance concerns. Tiki huts and open-sided dwellings with thatched roofs make charming standalone structures in the garden. Their conical shape provides excellent rain runoff, and the thick thatching offers good insulation against heat. It's worth noting that fire resistance can be a concern with natural thatch. Treatment with fire retardants is essential, and in some areas, building codes may restrict the use of thatched roofs. Shade sails, contemporary flair. Inspired by the sails of ships, these tensioned fabric structures add a distinctly modern touch to outdoor spaces. Shade sails can be triangular or quadrilateral, installed at angles to create sculptural forms that are as much art as they are functional. The key to successful shade sail installation is proper tension. Posts or attachment points must be engineered to withstand the forces involved, which often means professional installation is advisable. However, the result can be stunning. A floating canopy that provides UV protection while allowing breezes to circulate. Shade sail fabrics are typically high-density polyethylene mesh, which blocks up to 95% of UV rays while remaining light and breathable. For rainy climates, waterproof PVC-coated polyester is an option, though it doesn't breathe as well. Green roofs, living canopies. Why not let nature provide your roof? Green roofs, also known as living roofs, involve growing plants on top of a waterproof membrane. While often associated with eco-friendly buildings, this concept can be adapted for patio structures. A simple approach is to train vines like wisteria, grape, or kiwi over a sturdy arbor or pergola. These create a canopy of leaves in summer that then die back in winter, allowing more light when it's needed. For a more engineered solution, consider a sedum roof. These succulent plants are lightweight, drought-tolerant, and can thrive in the shallow substrate of a green roof system. Benefits of green roofs go beyond aesthetics. They absorb rainwater, provide insulation, and can even extend the lifespan of the underlying roofing material by protecting it from UV damage. Glass roofs, bringing the outdoors in. For those who love natural light but still want protection from the elements, glass roofing can be a spectacular choice. From conservatory-style structures to modern single-pitch lean-tos, glass allows you to enjoy views of the sky while staying dry. Advances in glazing technology mean that today's glass roofs don't have to create a greenhouse effect. Low-E coatings reflect heat, while tints or ceramic frit patterns can reduce glare. Self-cleaning glass is also available, which breaks down dirt so it washes away more easily in the rain. Safety is paramount with overhead glazing. Tempered or laminated glass must be used to minimize the risk of injury in case of breakage. And while glass roofs can be stunning, they're also one of the more expensive options, both in terms of materials and the structural support required. Louvered roofs, high-tech comfort. Taking the concept of adjustability to the next level, louvered roofing systems feature slats that can be tilted to any angle or closed completely, all at the touch of a button. This allows for fine-tuned control over light, shade, and ventilation. When closed, the interlocking louvers form a waterproof seal, effectively turning your patio into an all-weather room. Some systems even integrate guttering to channel rainwater away. Add optional side panels or screens, and you've got a space that can be used year-round. Louvered roofs are typically made from aluminum for durability and precision operation. While the initial investment is higher than many other patio covers, the versatility can make it worthwhile, especially in climates with variable weather. Fabric canopies, soft and stylish. For a softer look overhead, fabric canopies bring color and movement to the patio. Options range from ready-made shade structures like the sailcloth canopy, a square of fabric tension between 4 posts, to custom designs that transform patios into tented retreats. One classic is the Roman shade, a horizontal swath of fabric that can be drawn across the patio on cables, then retracted when not needed. For a more romantic look, billowing drapes can be hung from a pergola or between posts, creating the feel of an outdoor room without solid walls. Sunbrella and other performance fabrics have revolutionized outdoor textiles, offering fade resistance, water repellency, and easy care. Still, most fabric canopies are not intended for heavy rain or snow loads and may need to be taken down seasonally in harsher climates. Corrugated metal, industrial edge. Once relegated to agricultural buildings, corrugated metal roofing has found new life in residential design. Its clean lines and rhythmic texture bring industrial chic to patios, particularly when paired with wood or concrete. Galvanized steel is the traditional choice, developing a matte patina over time, but colored options are also available. The advantages of metal roofing include durability, fire resistance, and excellent water-shedding properties. It's also relatively lightweight, which can simplify the supporting structure. One caveat: rain on a metal roof can be noisy. While some find this soothing, others may want to consider insulation or an inner ceiling to dampen the sound. Also, in hot climates, radiant heat from a metal roof can make the space below uncomfortably warm without proper ventilation. Polycarbonate panels, light and strong. Polycarbonate is a transparent thermoplastic that's virtually unbreakable, making it an excellent glazing material for patio roofs. Available in flat sheets or corrugated panels, it's much lighter than glass and easy to work with, opening up design possibilities for DIYers. Many polycarbonate panels have a UV protective layer and come in tints that reduce heat gain while still transmitting light. Multi-wall panels with air channels between layers offer better insulation. The result can be a roof that's bright but not blinding and cool even on sunny days. One creative application is to alternate polycarbonate panels with solid roofing materials like wood or metal. This creates a play of light and shadow that's both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Hybrid solutions, mix and match. Who says you have to choose just one roofing style? Some of the most interesting patio covers combine different materials and structures to meet varying needs across the space. For instance, you might have a solid roof extending from the house to shelter an outdoor kitchen or dining area, transitioning to a pergola over a lounge space where dappled light is preferred. Or combine a fixed polycarbonate roof with retractable shade sails underneath for an additional layer of adjustment. Another approach is to use different roofing materials in the same plane. Alternating wood slats with glass panels, for example, creates a rhythm of light and shadow, or inset a skylight into a solid roof over a hot tub for stargazing. Eco-friendly options, sustainable shade. As environmental consciousness grows, so do options for green patio roofing. We've already touched on living roofs, but there are other ways to minimize the ecological footprint of your outdoor cover. Solar panels integrated into patio roofs are gaining popularity, especially as the technology becomes more affordable and aesthetically pleasing. Not only do they provide shade, but they can also power outdoor lighting, speakers, or even feed back into the home's electrical system. Reclaimed materials can also play a role. Old doors repurposed as a patchwork roof bring character and history to a space. Recycled plastic lumber, which looks like wood but is more durable, can be used for pergolas or slatted roofs. Temporary and portable, flexible coverage. Not every patio calls for a permanent roof. Temporary or portable solutions can be ideal for renters, those on a budget, or anyone who likes to change things up regularly. Large umbrellas have come a long way from the wobbly tabletop variety. Cantilever models can shade a significant area without a central pole to obstruct furniture placement. Some even rotate 360 degrees to follow the sun or have built-in LED lighting for evening ambience. Pop-up canopies or party tents can turn any part of the yard into a covered patio for special events. And for those who embrace the tiny living movement, consider a teardrop trailer or renovated vintage camper as a mobile patio room, complete with its own roof. Raising the roof on outdoor living. The right patio roof can transform your backyard from a sometimes used area to an always ready outdoor living room. Whether you're looking for sun protection, rain shelter, aesthetic enhancement, or all of the above, there's a solution to fit your needs and complement your home's architecture. As we've seen, options abound, from the classic lines of a pergola to the high-tech adjustability of louvered systems, from the soft drape of fabrics to the clean efficiency of glass or polycarbonate. Materials can be natural or man-made, traditional or innovative, and increasingly, these choices can also align with values like sustainability and energy efficiency. The key is to consider how you want to use your patio, what kind of atmosphere you want to create, and what level of investment, both upfront and in ongoing maintenance, makes sense for you. Don't be afraid to think creatively or combine ideas. After all, your patio roof isn't just about protection, it's about possibility. With the right cover overhead, your patio becomes more than just an adjunct to the house. It's a destination in its own right, a place where the boundaries between indoors and out blur, and the luxury of shelter meets the freedom of open air. So look up, imagine the possibilities, and get ready to elevate your outdoor living to new heights.